If you've been in real estate in Dubai for more than a minute, you probably hate wasting time on the same repetitive task, writing endless notes in your CRM, coming up with a catchy property description that actually stands out, calculating ROI, and let's don't forget, keep up with all of the social media, the posts and stories. It feels like juggling 100 things. Well, don't worry, because I've got something that can take this load out of your shoulders. And my name is Olga. I am a real estate sales trainer here in Dubai, and I've spent nearly 10 years selling property myself. And my mission is to help agents just like you, not only to survive, but truly thrive in this crazy competitive market. But beyond teaching you how to sell, I'm all about making your life easier. That's why I'm so excited to introduce this new tool which help you, and of course includes the AI component. So that's going to not only boost your productivity, but simplify your real estate game. Now we'll demonstrate some of the key functionality. And the first one, of course, is create a description or a presentation that you need to send to your client. Hi, Knock Knock. I have a task for you for today. I don't have the full description of the property yet, but I want you to write a nice, catchy and respectful description, preferably using British English, because I'm not very much British, but I think it sounds really posh and expensive. And I will give you the details of the property. So it's an apartment in GLT, 1,260 square feet. It has one parking spot. This feature that I want you to highlight and make it stand out is that from the two-bedroom and the living room, you can see the lake. So it feels kind of as if you are on a cruise or a ship. So anyway, I don't know how you're going to frame it, but I want to have a nice description right now. The beauty of this tool is that you do not have to write anything. And you don't have to worry if you said something right or wrong. The assistant will structure everything, so you don't have to. Cool. Let me read it for you. Step abroad a serene oasis at the heart of, I don't know, he doesn't like how to write GLT, that's why we have to correct him. Perfectly positioned near the metro for unparalleled convenience, this residence offers a truly unique living experience. As you enter, the expensive living room greets you with oh my God, I cannot even pronounce that, but it's like, looks good. What I want to do, can you please criticize yourself and offer the improvements? I think the language is a little bit too wordy. And this is Jumeirah Lake Towers, not GLT, it's JLT, right? I want you to correct it and make it like more with the bullet points, because it seems to me very much smooshed together. And if you need more information from me, I'm happy to provide. The beauty of you communicating with your virtual assistant, which based, of course, on ChatGPT as the most modern version of the artificial intelligence, is that it creates the structure if you tell him or her, it's going to be him probably, too. And even if you are not able to give the structure yourself, just because you provide the end goal, which is a property description for the portals, he will understand what do you need. It looks way better. Elegant two-bedroom apartment, Jumeirah Lake Towers with captivating lake views. I think it sounds fantastic. Let's move to the next task. And next task is going to be, for example, you're rushing from one meeting to another and you just need to put some notes into your CRM system, but of course you don't have time for it. And you don't want to kind of rush and structure your notes and type them. That's why you need to. Hey, Knock Knock, I have a new task for you. I am really in a rush and I need to create some notes that I will later put to my CRM system. I will tell you the dates and the name of the clients, and I want you to really structure it in bullet points. And as well, I will give you the additional task that I will have to do myself for each and every client. So let's start with Mr. Ahmed. We've seen the property in XYZ Tower. He didn't like the location of the living room. He wants it to be facing north. So put into my notes that I have to find him a new layout. Now you're not going to forget it. And then the client number 2, Mr. Ahmed, write it down, structure it, for me to just copy paste and put it into the CRM system. You see, the keywords is that I'm telling him what the end goal of his work is. And let me tell you, it's the same with human beings. If you're going to start providing a proper task for the people around you and even for yourself, the result's going to be way better. Client number 1, date, property viewed, feedback, action needed. I absolutely love it, and I think that this is a good one. So our last task for today, my dear Knock Knock, is I really want to create a nice social media post. I want to showcase my expertise. I want the clients, when they will see this post, think about me as someone who is having a deep knowledge on the market and been on the market for many, many years. And the topic I want to discuss is the post-pandemic Dubai real estate market recovery. I don't want it to be too salesy, and I want you to add in the end something to make the client contact me. You might not know it. It's called CTR, call to action, but I'm not going to tell him this. Better if you will provide more details, like you will give, I want the post for Instagram, or I want this post for LinkedIn, or I want this post for the Facebook, because it depends. Now he can give you a very much wordy, the same as it gave for me, with all of the pros and cons. Look, I'm actually going to post it on Instagram, so I want more kind of Instagram style post. Doesn't have to be salesy, doesn't have to have a lot of emojis. I don't like emojis. But Dubai real estate market post-pandemic revival. Hi everyone, let's talk about something close to my heart, the Dubai real estate market. If you want, and I highly recommend you to do it every time whenever you work with this artificial intelligence or with ChatGPT, always say this. Now criticize yourself and offer the suggestion in less than a minute. Self-critique, tone and style, successful, incorporated some humor and light-hearted approach, structure and clarity. As you can see, Knock Knock is an amazing tool for the real estate agent who want to speed up their admin time and dedicate more of the free time for themselves or for money-making activities. And this functionality is just a basic start, because this is just a prototype. In November this year, 2024, we're going to launch a full version of it. And your input will be very valuable. If you feel that we can add more value for you by adding more functionality, do not hesitate to leave a comment under the description or reach out to me on the social media that you will find in the description of this video. Without further delay, see you in the next one.